I'm at Amapola Deli Market, city of Downey, California. Amapola Deli Market is an authentic Mexican chain grocery and deli store with amazing premium, handcrafted tortillas and iconic masa. I have the best corn tortillas I have ever had. Authentic Barbacoa de Borrego with lamb meat broth is so delicious, even it's a little bit pricey. The Cactus salad is a must-try item too. I'm gonna taste food and drinks from Amapola Deli Market. Amapola, they are famous for their hot daily sections. And these are the food and drinks from their stores. And this one is the sour cream. And this is the big salad. This is the fresh made corn tortilla. And these two are drinks from Mexico. This is lamb juice. And this is lamb barbacoa. The lamb juice goes with lamb barbacoa. I'm gonna taste these two sodas made by Peñafiel. Peñafiel Drink Company is a major drink company in Mexico. This one is the apple flavor, and this one is pineapple flavor. Let's open the pineapple soda. Here's the apples. A little bit sour, a little bit sweet. That's good. Pineapple taste. Let's try this. Apples. Good apple taste. It's a little bit sweet. Now for this too, I like the pineapple soda flavor better. We're gonna make our own taco. So we have the corn, the fresh corn tortilla, and we got lamb barbacoa, and cilantro, onion, and the bean salad comes with the bean and tomato. So now let's put some lamb juice. Okay, so that's the lamb juice, and then we put some lime juice, and then the It's excellent taste. The lamb is tender and juicy, and then combined with the lamb juice and also sour cream and other things together, it's a great combination. And the tortilla is so soft, very nice. Let's try this. Actually, this is not a bean salad. Actually, it's a cactus salad. So this one, this is the cactus, and with tomato, onion, and cilantro. So let's taste this cactus. It's crispy, a little bit sour, and that's a good taste for the cactus. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, press the bell button so you get notified when we update the channel. Please also follow us at IG and Facebook.